You want the inside or outside lane?
Don't matter to me.
Good. Oh, here. What's that?
Got a spare fuel tank underneath.
Oh, okay.
About 3 extra gallons.
Huh. Sort of like a belly tank on a plane.
Yeah, that's what it is. You can't drop it off, though. I think it's giving me like 8 gallons on there. It needs it. And then got that cruising gear in.
Oh, okay.
Running.
What?
David here. I'm gonna leave him. They go his big one.
Yeah, he's With that?